You're looking for a way to make money online and start to work from the comfort of your home. You want to have some free time that you can spend with your family and friends, or go on vacation and still making money. Working at your own pace, without being stressed going to the job, and when you finally arrive the boss yelling at you. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 up to $500 a day by simply copy and pasting ads. And best of all, you can do this from anywhere in the world, and it is totally free to get started. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and make sure you watch this step-by-step tutorial so you can get started to make money online by simply copy and pasting ads. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you in today's step-by-step tutorial on how you can get started to make money online by simply copy and pasting ads. First, a disclaimer, results are not typical, use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all, so make sure you watch the whole video till the end here. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to make money online, work from home, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. First, before we proceed, let's have a quick look at the giveaway also, both the winner of the previous giveaway and of course today's giveaway. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. This was the video where I had the giveaway announced, and basically the winner in today's video is Jana Farina. Congratulations, all you have to do is contact me to get access to Daily List Profits, my own course on how you can get started to make $100 plus a day. Regarding today's video is really simple, 3 simple steps. Watch the whole video, like the video, subscribe if you haven't done it already. Secondly, make sure you share this video with someone, and finally leave a comment, otherwise I can't pick you as a winner. Alright, that's it. Let's go ahead and have a look at how we can make money by simply copy and paste ads. Let's go! Alright guys, first off we want to have an offer that we can promote as an affiliate marketer, and I'm going straight to clickbank.com. If you haven't an account created yet, just go ahead and do that. Now if you say that it isn't available in your country, you can actually go to a site like digistore24.com, which is worldwide also, so there is actually a solution to that. Now let's assume that we can work with ClickBank here, and let's proceed. So today's video we're going to focus on e-business and marketing, and you can see here you can sort it by gravity. This is ClickBank's own metrics, and the first offer looks actually pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the affiliate page here real quick. So let's proceed here, and let's scroll down a little bit. Now it is a good idea to actually fill in the details here, so let's assume that we have already done that, and let's go ahead and have a look at the material here we can take advantage of copy and pasting ads here. Alright, we can see here that there is some email swipes, and this will be perfect actually to take advantage of and use. Basically we need a few subjects, and then we need some body titles, some lines actually. So we want to take advantage of this, and if I scroll down and have a quick look at it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy a few of those into a notepad, and we are going to take advantage of it as I said. Alright, so we can have a look at here also. This is a good idea, works for a beginner. We can copy this also as a copy, recurring, monthly, today. This is a good idea also to take advantage of. So let's assume that we have found our titles and our subject lines here. Let's proceed. Now we want actually to grab the link here to promote this offer. So we're going to generate a link here. We copy this, and this is a long, ugly affiliate link. So we're going to use bit.ly to shorten our link and also track it. So let's copy it here, and now let's paste it, of course, in our notepad. All right, so we have this material here so far, the ultimate base model for 2020, and you can see here a few lines. But let's see if I can find something down the road here as well. Now the next thing we need to do is go to this site, which is the freeadforum.com. This is actually where you can publish your ad for free. And it is really simple. It is totally free worldwide to get started with this. If you have a look at here at the work from home opportunities, let's open this up in a new tab. You can see here that there is a lot of people who already advertise here. Now, what we can take advantage of here is we can actually copy and paste some lines here as well. Let's open up this, for example. Look at this, copy my system. This could also be a good idea, so let's copy this also. Better than a job. This is cool. Let's use this also. So you can take advantage of this material and make your own twist, of course. All right. So let's copy this as well. And now all we have to do is actually create an account. It is totally free, as you can see here. You fill in your name and email, password, and of course you're going to validate your account there. And this is how it looks when we are ready to go. And this is how it looks when we have logged in there. All right, now the next thing we need to do is go here to publish your ad for free, and it's going to open up here. First, we want to select the business opportunities. Let's go for the work from home, and now we are going to paste in the title. All right, so let's see here the easiest way, and you can see here we have a lot of lines. I'm going to use this one. This looks really nice and catchy. Okay, the easiest way to get rich online. Now the next thing is we need to take advantage here and use all these lines in the body. So let's copy it here. For example, this new way. All right, works for beginners. Do this from the comfort of your home. Let's take something else. Let's take this also. Better than a job, super simple. And now the next thing is we need to have a call to action. All right. Click here to check it out. Click here to check it out. And now you can see here, I want actually to have a hyperlink here. So I'm going to use our bit.ly link and let's paste it here. All right. Click here and insert it. Okay, cool. So every time someone clicks here, they're going to be redirected to the perpetual offer there. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. You want to select a country here, and we want United States. Select a region. Let's go for something like California and skip the rest here. Here we can actually take advantage of upload an image, which will help us and will probably increase the click-through rate. So we can go to Pixabay, for example, and I just type woman money. Now this looks perfect here. So I'm going to use this in our ad here. All right, let's proceed here a little bit. We actually need to select a city. So let's go for something like California City will be just great. Please visit our website. We can actually insert our bit.ly link here, or if you have your own domain, you can use that as well. Keywords would be a great idea to actually use, like make money online, or let's say work from home. And there you go. So it is ready now, actually, more or less, to post this. This is how simple it is, guys, okay? And if you want to spice it up, let's say, for example, you want to make this bold, we can actually do this something like that. All right, there you go. Did you see how simple it is? And now let's scroll down here a little bit. And basically you can see here that there is actually a paid version, but we are going to be satisfied with the free version. And that's how simple it is. I just want to submit a free ad here now. Alright, how cool is that? Now you can actually repeat this and you can post how many ads as you like, alright? So just be creative here, both with images and of course your lines there and subject. This is how you do it, okay? And you can promote other offers as well. Okay, so there you have it. Now, if you want, you can check this out. And of course, you can post as many as you like. Now, a good tip would be actually to drive some traffic to that as well, if you can, with sharing it on different social media platforms. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in actually building a long-term sustainable online business, make a full-time passive income online with it, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and make sure you check out my other video recommendation also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.